Welcome to my channel Winchem. Today we are going to see PGTRB 2001 organic questions. 23 is there in that 16th question. What is the 16th question? The separation of a racemic mixture into its enantiomers is called, what is that? Whether it's a resolution, asymmetric synthesis, epimerization and racemic modification. We should know what is that. If you know all the four, what is that, then you come to know the answer of these questions. So what is a resolution? Resolution means, see here, the separation of racemic mixture to its enantiomers, okay, to its pure enantiomers, we call it as a resolution. So we need to separate the one enantiomer from the racemic mixture, we call it as a resolution. Okay, so answer is resolution. So what about this asymmetric synthesis? Asymmetric synthesis is nothing but synthesize an asymmetric center in this compound. Okay, the compound which is not having an asymmetric carbon, in that compound we need to synthesize the asymmetric center in that carbon. Okay, that is optically active compound. We are preparing optically active compound, that we call it as asymmetric synthesis. What is epimerization? One of the carbon which is changed, okay, interconversion of one of the carbon. I'll show you all the examples also so that you come to know what is that clearly. One of the carbon is interchanged, that we call it as epimerization. The racemic modification, we call it as a mixture of enantiomers. That's why I mentioned here itself, the mixture of enantiomers, we call it as a racemic modification. Separate one of the enantiomers from that, we call it as a resolution, and synthesize that asymmetric center in the compound, we call it asymmetric synthesis. Epimerization is the interconversion of one of the carbon. Configuration is called epimerization. See, this is the resolution. See, this is the racemic mixture, ibuprofen racemic mixture. This racemic mixture, we are converting this into only one mixture, that is only one enantiomer, that is S-ibuprofen. This is not only one, this is a racemic, we converted into only one, S-ibuprofen. Okay, so it is 99% EE, enantiomeric excess. So this we call it as a resolution. Okay, this we call it as a resolution. So the answer is, and what about asymmetric synthesis? I already said a synthesis of a symmetric center, that is optically active compound from the inactive compound. The compound which is not having an asymmetric carbon, that compound we need to prepare the asymmetric asymmetric center, that we call it as optically active compound with the help of optically active reagent, or with reagent or without reagent. Both the things we call it as asymmetric synthesis only. We need to prepare asymmetric synthesis. See this compound, there is no asymmetric center in this compound. Okay, so we are preparing the asymmetric center in this compound. This we call it as asymmetric synthesis. Easily we can keep that in mind. Preparing the asymmetric center in the compound, we call it as asymmetric synthesis. So this is optically active compound, this is optically inactive compound. Epimerization. Epimerization is interconversion of one epimer into another one. See, this is the glucose compound. In this epimer at C2, in that C2 carbon, one is changed. See, interconversion is there. Here hydrogen is this side and OH is that side. Erythro and trio, this is changed here. Here OH and H, and see here also in the epimer at C4 carbon, you can see that here is changed here. So in that, compared to this glucose epimer at 4th carbon, here the epimer at 2nd carbon, these two are changed. Okay, so epimer, these two we call it as epimerization. These two are epimers, these two are epimers. So we call it as, these are all epimers. Okay, this process we call it as epimerization. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel, click the bell button so that you will get all the upcoming videos and the clarifications of the questions also. Thank you.